Hey y'all, today we finna crack some fire crackers, fire crackers. Say everybody say it with me.
Summer school?
No. We smart, turn down, but what? I'm saying, we're finna crack some firecrackers. They're gonna, and my some more. Some 5 minutes gonna go get some more. Like I don't know, and I don't know who that, but I'm gonna crackers, firecrackers. Y'all looking fresh, y'all. Y'all looking fresh today. Y'all looking fresh. Y'all looking fresh. Fresh. Look at them shoes. Look at my shoes, y'all. Look at them shoes. Look at them socks. Where your shoes at? Where your shoes at?
Hey, boy.
Y'all need to go check out Full House. My brother thinks it's...
You just let people walk in? How cannot be murdered by now? What are you doing here? You're Rocky? Why don't you go in some...
Okay, y'all sit down, because that fan is to blow the air this way.
Oh, it is?
And you're the principal, so I have to apologize, so come on, get me over here. I'm doing it! So, Jackson, I'm really sorry for the wrong face. And I'm small of your back. Your crack is showing, so I feel sorry about it.
So y'all just watching this video. Y'all need to see my new smile I got.
Girl, you need to get up. You got a dress on.
Oh, I got some shorts on too. Hold up. Look. Oh, I done lost my glasses. God dog, my waist loose. Some. Y'all, my glasses. Okay. I'm finna show y'all. I don't want the glasses. Like, I still don't gotta edit. Like, don't look up there. Don't. Even though it's a hole in our wall. Doesn't mean we leave it.
I wish I had a time machine so I could go back to this morning and not go to summer school.
Or you could go back to last semester and get a better grade in history.
You don't understand the fun of time travel at all.
So yeah. Oh, this how look. I like it inside of there. I'm gonna just put it back. So, everything pink, even the phone, even my hair. Not my hair. I can see it black.
Left foot.
That's my mama, y'all. What's that, mama?
Again.
We finna play trailer, y'all. We finna play. We finna play a game. Y'all gonna join us.
No. What we doing there? You don't got to be on the camera doing everything, no.
Mama started me a YouTube channel. Mama started and let you know we gonna be rich.
You're still a minute.
No, we're not gonna be rich. I'm gonna be laughing.
Touche. Hey, Stephanie.
Oh my goodness.
I can't stay long. My RV is double parked.
Look at left foot. Baby, don't care about baby. We had a fight. We had a fight. Look. So yeah, we've been turning up. We barbecue, playing games. The people just left. They're going to get.
Alright. DJ!
What is he talking about? Sit down. Have some lemonade. Okay, so Jimmy and I
Alright, y'all.
having a beautiful run.
So the game is
Listen, y'all. Listen. Listen.
Been acting weird, but I'm sure there's a perfectly good
split into two evens. Okay, so me and DJ.
Listen.
Don't go with that, sir.
have some lemonade.
Okay.
It's a little
Me and DJ is the captain. DJ is his team, what? A or B?
I'm his realtor. Nothing is going on.
Pick A or B.
Smooth and painless escort. In fact,
No. You pick. I'm team A, he team B. Okay. So, who you want on your team, DJ? Burberry. You get Burberry and Brandon. I got Kendra. Sort your cards out. Alright. Oh, look.
Yeah.
So,
Being greedy.
we gotta do our cards.
Let's go. So we gotta do the cards.
Hold 1 second. Okay. So sort your cards, choose which color word to play the game. And use
I
the
need the
different
picture
color
somewhere.
next game to keep it fresh.
They're gonna stay right here, even though y'all can't see us.
Okay. So what do you guys want? You guys want red or purple?
Red.
Red. So we got red. We're going. So this being said, since we picked red, you only have to do what's in the red. You don't do the blue. You don't do the orange. You don't do the yellow. You don't do nothing but the red, right? Okay. So the object of the game is to get your team to say the guessing word. So, like for example, since we doing red on here, your team got to figure it out. You say it's an animal. What type of animal? It's a black animal, a white animal, got stripes. What? Can y'all figure it out? It's a horse. It's a zoo. He be at the zoo.
Zebra.
Oh, yay!
Hold up.
Yeah, I don't put me on no camera.